Hi guys, welcome to Bobsy Bounce Kids. I am Bobs.
I'm Zach.
And today, welcome to our
Halloween special.
That's the reason why Zach has. He looks like this. How do you look, Zach? What character are you playing today?
Mummy. I mean, not a mummy. A skeleton.
Yeah. So we've got a toy.
Red
today.
eyes.
Red eyes. Today.
Black eyes.
Yeah. Big shout out to my sister-in-law Colours for doing this makeup on him. I obviously have got a lot of makeup on today, as you guys can tell.
Oh no, you aren't.
I haven't got a makeup on.
No.
I've got a mask on. I've taken the mask off.
Look.
Oh yeah, I've got nothing on. Right, okay, so today we are going to be reviewing, what is it? Crazy Slime Creation. Because it's Halloween, we're going to do a slime toy today, aren't we?
Yeah.
But before we do that, let's colour his hair. Pass it. So we're gonna go for the orange colour, aren't we? Oh my god.
It's cold.
Is it cold? How does that look? Look straight. See, that looks amazing now. Cost a pound, guys. Does the trick here. Catch. So, we've got some. What have we got? Jaffa cakes. What have we got?
Jaffa cake.
Yeah. So, you want to try some Jaffa cakes? And we've also got some sweets as well.
It's a Jaffa cake.
It's a Halloween Jaffa cake.
Oh,
Go on, open it and then have it.
Good.
I think Bounce is going to eat them all. Zach, you've opened it. So weird. You broke all of it. You even have a taste. Don't mess your makeup up. Eat it, bite. Yeah, that's how it works. Yeah, that's how your mouth works. How is it? Is it nice? Tell everybody, how does it taste?
Like one of them orange trees.
Not bad. Yeah. Eat the rest of that.
Yeah, I'll open it.
Go on. That's really not going to open it. Show everybody what is it.
There's a mummy on the back. And then on the front there's a eyeball.
Should we eat these later? Should we,
No.
should we open a slime first?
Yeah.
Let's open a slime first. Let's open a slime first. So
let me open.
Hang on, that side. So you open a slime from here. So what is this slime? What's it got in it, Zach?
A pack.
What's in there? What do you get in there? Do you get lots of different slimes in there? Hang on. So we've got different slime. Right, Zach, tell me the colours that we've got over here. What's all the different colours that we've got?
Green.
All slime.
We got green. I mean, not green.
Go on.
Orange.
Yeah.
Gold.
Yeah.
Purple.
Yeah. What's this?
Green.
What's this?
Pink. White.
No, that's not white. That's something else. That's those little polystyrene bits, I think. So you can
pink.
stuff with it. What's in here?
I don't know.
That's to add more
Purple.
texture.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. What about this one?
Blue.
Blue. Right. Okay. So, should we make some? This has got glitter in it, I think. That's got some glitter in there as well. So, shall we?
I'll stack them all.
Shall we start with our arts and craft
Wait.
Halloween version, Halloween edition arts and craft?
Wait, let me stack them and then we can open them.
So let's put these to a side, and let's open the gold one up first. So this is the gold one that Zach's gonna open. Do you want to put anything in there? Like, you can put these in there, you can put them in there, or you can put these things in there as well. You want me to help you open?
The glitter's going in my eye, Dad.
Is it?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
It
Right, here we
feels like glitter's going in my eye.
Oh.
What?
Open it on there.
I'm not.
Show everyone on there. Like, dip it out in your hands and play with it like
Yeah.
that. Ugh, disgusting.
Yeah.
Slime. Yeah. You were saying earlier, what don't you do with this?
Don't eat it.
Yeah. Why not?
Because you'll die.
Yes. So Dr. Zach, that's what you're saying. So listen to Dr. Zach.
Why not going?
Yeah, so just. Why is it going?
Yeah.
So I'll open it up. I'm going, don't put too many in. Just a few.
Ah.
Go on, and fold it up. I'm going to fold it. Is this messy or is it nice?
It's a clean fun, guys. How's the fun?
We'll do a different one. Let's put this one back. Right, let's put this one back. So that's Zach's creation. What does that look like to you, Zach?
Looks like coarse diamond.
What is it? Diamond.
Actually, it looks like ice cream topping.
The ice cream topping.
Yeah.
So
it feels like weird.
Yeah, but what flavour? Tell everybody that what flavour ice cream topping is this?
Lemon.
Lemon flavour. Should we move on to the next one? Oh yeah, that's a good one. What's that one? Oh.
Ah!
How many hours can you play with this, Zach? 5 hours.
No, how about 100? I put these in there now.
Yeah. So, you want me to help you open this one as well? Not all of them, just a few.
That?
Yeah.
Deal.
Yeah.
2.
How is that 2? That's like God knows how many. So you're gonna spread them out?
Yeah.
Spread them out.
No, and then throw it like that.
No, you can't throw it.
Catch it. The snail. Did that. That.
So just to let you know, guys, this toy it cost $9.99. Once again from Smyths. Again, Zach decided that he wanted to go with the Halloween themed toy, so that's why he decided to go with the slime toy. We were going to review something else, but we thought, you know what, slime it suits Halloween.
Mano.
What's this one called?
The yellow manure.
Manure.
Yeah, manure.
All right, what's manure? You know what it is? Cow poo.
Cow poo.
Cow poo.
Yeah, it's cow poo.
Yeah. Cool.
This
is Halloween slime, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm so excited.
This is.
Gooey deer.
Why is it so? This one's really.
I said gooey deer.
This one here is really gooey. This toy, guys, is actually for 6 and over because I think it's got really small pieces in it and stuff like that, and it's also, I mean, you don't want any kid eating this now, do you? So Zach's decided that we should take them all out and put them all on the table. Zach,
And this one's a white one.
show everyone.
Wait, let me get.
It's a clear one. Doesn't got any colour in it. That's a boring one.
No, it's not. Wow, we actually can't see it.
So this one here is a blue one.
I'll flatten it onto.
What does it smell of?
It smells like a fish.
There, here.
I really wanted that orange, you know.
Look at this. That looks like a tooth. What does that look like?
Nothing.
What does that look like?
Tuda!
Can you blow bubbles in it?
Look what I can do.
Yeah, it's not working.
No,
See,
do that.
Now it's fun. Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you.
Does that look good? So let's make it. Have a look at this. That's mine. Mine looks like a lolly now.
Well.
Mine was like, if I got a stick, I put a stick in there. It looked like a lolly.
So
Oh, hang on, what's that? Is that a love heart?
yeah. Yeah, I made it.
Who have you made that for? Me?
No.
Who have you made it for? Your girlfriend?
No.
Who's your girlfriend?
No. I just made it for nobody.
Why are you smiling?
A bubble.
Tell you what, it was a nice colour before. Now, I don't know what that looks like.
It's a poop.
Yeah.
Unicorn poop.
A unicorn poop. Is that what it looks like?
No.
Here, you grab your side. I'll grab mine. One. I'll stretch it as much as we can. So don't stretch it too. Yeah.
There we go.
Oh.
There we go.
What is that? What does it smell of?
Turtle.
What does it smell of now?
Fish.
Still fish.
Yeah. Yeah. Basically, yeah.
What colour are you blending any colours together?
I'm mixing pink with purple.
Yeah.
Pink, I want to
I can't see no pink in there.
Look at that.
And then we're gonna what's this in there? You're gonna put some things in there. What do you wanna put in there? This one here.
No.
Which one?
That one.
This one.
Yeah.
Well, that makes too much. We can do it. We can do it afterwards.
No, that.
We can take you home and do it. We can take you home and do it. Right. Anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video. So we decided, Zach decided that we do a slime video today because, like I said, it goes with the Halloween theme. You guys, whoever's going to be celebrating Halloween, please be safe. Zach, tell everybody to be safe when they're.
Be safe.
So, guys, if you guys enjoyed that video and you've got any ideas of any of the videos you want us to do in the future, any of the toy reviews, you can actually go onto our Instagram page and you can actually comment on there. And obviously, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Zach, what does it need to do? So, guys,
like, share, subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
This is Bobsy Bounce.
Signing out.